What's going on, YouTube? We're back today with Jeffrey, and we're working on Jumba the GS. We're going to be fixing some tension arm bushings. Got them from FIGS. We got a bunch of caster issues with this car that actually Jeff pointed out to me the other day, where my wheel is moving like a couple inches in the well. So something like that. Yeah, so we're gonna pull them out. They're pressing bushings, so hopefully my handy dandy vise will be able to press out and in the bushing. Bushings were pretty tough. You need to press. I definitely suggest to press, or just to buy the replacement arms. I don't know what I'm gonna. We're gonna get inventive, and
I didn't know we were set up for failure.
hopefully this only takes maybe a day. We have a day, so stay tuned. Alright, after not much work, to be honest, and maybe what, like 30 minutes, 45 minutes later, got the car up, got the arms out, bushings definitely shot. Like, this thing is gonzo. This one's not quite there yet, but it's getting close. So now we gotta try to cut out the old bushings and then wait for the new ones to show up in the mail today, hopefully. Alright, YouTube, I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of a big fat phony. I gave up on removal of the bushings by myself, and I took it to my buddies over at Cars, Complete Automotive Repair and Service in Tallahassee. So shout out to Josh and Brandon, you guys are fucking awesome. You knock these bushings out super fast, and I was struggling for quite a while. So excellent people, if you can, support our friends. Greatly appreciated. Thank you for your help. But anyways, yes, bushings are now pressed in. Old bushings are out. Looks great. So now we get to assemble the new bushing and arm into the car here.
I now know the snack I need to invest in.
You know the snack you need to invest in?
Yeah, ice cream sandwiches.
You heard it here, folks. Alright, yeah, for anybody wondering for reference as well, got the FIGS, I guess part number there for the SuperPro bushings. Quite nice product. I'm gonna put their supplied grease basically between all of the bushing surfaces there and in the center to get that metal tube installed. So we've gone through, got everything at least tightened up. Secured with Loctite, all that, but now we're gonna go through and actually torque our bolts. The bolts that connect the cast arm number 2 to control arm number 1, those go to 122 foot-pounds. The stud for the bushing on the back gets torqued to 112 foot-pounds. Chimona. Little guys will get to 48 foot-pounds, but I'll do that with a different socket. So I'll get the other side and be ready to put the wheel on, get it on the ground. Jump back on the ground. So yes, we'll get everything cleaned up and then take it for a test drive and see what noises are still there. All in all, the arms weren't bad. Bushings were pretty tough. You need to press. I definitely suggest to press, or just to buy the replacement arms. So let's get to the test drive. First test drive. And already just going lock to lock, I don't hear any clunking, So that's hopeful, right? See if it feels any different. I really need to get an alignment, especially knowing that I did my alignment with bad bushing. Definitely need to do it again. So maybe I'll actually take it to someone, throw it on a rack, get a good alignment. But so far, it does feel pretty good. So a lot of the steering vibration has actually been taken care of. The bent wheel still affects it a little bit, but yeah, it drives much better, handles corners and parking lot steering without the clunks and weird noises. And actually previously when I'd hit my brakes, the car would kind of pull to one direction. It'd pull to the right, and now it does not pull to the right at all. It's actually nice and straight when you hit the brakes. So I think we're a good alignment away from having Jumba pretty squared away in the front end, and then we just got to figure out some of the noises in the rear, and I don't know, it'll be great. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe, all that jazz. Stay tuned for the next video, and don't forget to play in traffic.